With millions of people competing for the top spots in Google, how do you stand out? In order to improve your sales, you need to increase your visibility online, and one of the most fundamental ways to increase your ranking is SEO. With search engine optimization, you can bring traffic to your website from Google for free. SEO encompasses all of what makes a website succeed, from content to code, from user experience to server expertise. But it takes training in SEO to provide a solid foundation for any digital marketer. That's why if you want to give your website a competitive edge, you need to learn from world-renowned expert and the father of SEO himself, Bruce Clay. Introducing the online Bruce Clay SEO Training program, the gold standard in SEO training. Within the program, you'll have access to the full online SEO training course presented by Bruce Clay, live Q&A calls with Bruce, Ask Us Anything videos, ebooks, deep dive videos on specific SEO topics, and even SEO tools. Marketers need a way to stay up to date, to continue learning and gain confidence in SEO beyond just taking one course. The Bruce Clay SEO Training program will prepare you to effectively increase your website's search engine visibility organically for the long term, making you a more effective marketer for your business. So sign up for the program today at SEOtraining.com and raise your SEO to the next level.